Stop waiting. Stop reading about it. Stop saying someday. If you want to start making money, you need to do something today, right now. In this video, I'm going to give you a roadmap that actually works. Not get-rich-quick fluff, but real, doable steps to get your first dollar rolling in. Let's make it happen. Step 1, the inventory. This is the hardest part, but also the most important. Sit down with a blank piece of paper and write down everything you can do, even if it seems small. What do people ask you for help with? What can you learn in a weekend? What do you enjoy doing? Think about it. Are you great at drawing, like this? Writing, organizing, cooking, fixing things, using social media? Your unique combination of skills is your money-making toolkit. Step 2, the problem search. Money is a reward for solving a problem. So your job is to find a problem that you can solve with one of your skills. This is where you match your skill toolkit to a real need in the world. Look around you. What's frustrating for people you know? What are small businesses struggling with? What are people asking for on online forums or local community groups? Problems are everywhere, and each one is an opportunity. Step 3, the one thing challenge. Don't try to build an empire overnight. Pick one skill you have and one problem you can solve. That's it. For example, I can draw doodle art, my skill, and people need simple logos for their new small businesses, the problem. Your one thing is create simple doodle logos for local businesses. Focusing on one thing lets you start small, learn quickly, and see real results. Step 4, your first step. Now you have your one thing, what's the smallest action you can take to make it real? If you're going to create doodle logos, you could doodle a sample logo for a friend's new business. You could offer to create one logo for free to get your first customer review. You could set up a simple gig on an online marketplace. The key is action. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be done. Step 5, build your yes reputation. Deliver more value than you promise every single time. If a client asks for a doodle logo, give them 2 options. If you said it would take 2 days, finish it in 1. Over-delivering makes people happy, and happy people will yes you. They'll leave positive reviews, tell their friends, and come back for more. Your reputation is your most valuable asset when you're starting out. This is how you start. Take stock of your skills, find a problem to solve, pick one thing to focus on, and then take your first step. The magic is in the doing. If you want more practical, no-nonsense smart money tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're building wealth one smart decision at a time. What's your one thing going to be? Tell me in the comments, and I'll help you figure out your first step.